Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix MB2Key23 stuck on loading screen. In this video I will show you a couple of solutions that you can use and fix this problem. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go and search and just write View Advanced System Settings. Go ahead and open this window here, and then under the Advanced, select Settings, and then make sure that you on Custom here, then go to Advanced, and then what you need to do here next is to press Change here, and then toggle this off, select Custom Size and write 4096 and press OK, and look if the problem persists or not. And the second solution for you is to update your GPU. So go to Device Manager and go to, as you can see here, display adapters here, and press Update Driver and search automatically for drivers. And if basically you cannot find here new drivers, also if you, depending on what GPU if you're using NVIDIA, you can go to GeForce Experience, and here on drivers you can check for updates here and install the latest drivers here. And if the problem persists, then what you need to do here is to open up Task Manager. As you can see here, something is bugged. I know it's not working. Let's open up in this way, Task Manager, and then basically close the apps that you're not using. And as you can see here, it requires a bit of CPU and memory. So maybe you're not using OBS while playing the game, so end the tasks. And also if you're using Razer Cortex, sometimes it causes a problem. So end these tasks, and basically end the tasks that you know that don't broke your computer and you don't use to basically play the game. So end the tasks and then try the game. And if this problem persists, again, what you need to do here next is to update your operating system. So on search, just write check for updates, and here press check for updates here, and look if there is a new updates that you can install on your operating system. And if there is, like as you can see here, like I'm having right now, you just need to download, install, restart your computer, and MB should work, right? So that's pretty much it what I want to show you. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.